Debunking universal, Gremy and Kenpachi, scale.
So apparently there has been a misunderstanding that creating an outer space equals universal plus creation. So let's go based on manga facts first off. What is an outer space? This refers to the physical vacuum or environment, the near empty expanse with extremely low pressure, no atmosphere, darkness, no oxygen, and in real terms sparse matter, plus distant stars or light, thereby making it a definite void of space or outer space.
A universe, or the universe, is the totality of everything that exists, all physical reality in its entirety, therefore a totally different concept of an outer space. Now we're gonna be looking at Gremy's feat of creating void of space and
why it doesn't scale him to universal. Based on the guidebook, it supposedly talks about how Gremy can instantaneously create outer space out of imagination with his visionary ability, as confirmed in the manga or novels that he can materialize, which is a different concept of a universe. Now all in all,
the canonical source never really says Gremy could create celestial bodies with stars or galaxies. No kanji panel source material ever says he created space-time or a universe, thereby invalidating the notion that
the circle diagram is not a multi-galaxy or a universal scale, but rather a mini outer space with a starry backdrop or galaxy room, but ultimately just a mini outer space. This is quite literally consistent with Kenpachi cutting the boundary or fabric of this void, cracking the sky dome, escaping back to normal space serrate. Hey, it's like slicing a dimensional barrier, not cleaving infinite space or galaxies or cutting power plus.
I can cut anything mindset overriding imagined hacks. If it were galactic or universal, it'd require proof of stellar masses or energy output, but it's just a deadly environment switch, as it's always just quite literally referred to as a void of space outer space, and not space-time or a universe. In other words, Gremy and Kenpachi are not universal.